since this all looks pretty good, I ordered some heat sound mat that you use spray adhesive on, black without the aluminum, so it can protect it from grounding out or that piece getting too hot. I'm going to use a piece of rubber on the inside of this one to hold the radiator, kind of like the squish down style that they have on the old horseshoe things that went there, but it'll just be a bigger one. You don't want to strap that down too tight, you know, because you can have areas of stress. I think spreading out that rubber piece will hold it just fine. It already, it doesn't even really move now, so just a little bit more will be great there. Since we're going to be doing that brace working and getting this roof pushed back out, I want to do the rockers to make sure the bottom doesn't move, because I need to put a rocker in there and I need to put a rocker in here. These two rockers are in pretty good shape. This one does have a dent in it that I've kind of pulled out, and I might just cut out that section and replace that where the dent is. And then on the back here, I'm going to go get this cancer out and go a little further here, and then just start there and go forward. The reason that these are a little different than the trucks is they have an inner structure and they're spot welded all the way along the bottom there. And if I was to cut this out, not only do I have to run a seam here, I also have to get that bottom off, get that all cleaned out, get it all lined back up, and it's just too much disruption to the piece that really doesn't need anything. So I'm going to go from here, go to here, so I have the rocker for the door here. This rocker in the door area is going to be more like the trucks, where it just is that single outside layer. So I need to start marking this out on what needs to be trimmed and what's going to stay here. I had Forbes Metal Madness here in St. George bin these for me because my brake isn't big enough for it. But yeah, let's see how we do.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Alright, what I'm going to try to do here is tack this, get everything kind of prepped, take it back off, get it welded in. I kind of got some of the areas cleared out here. Just sit in there nice. It seems to be kind of there. Turn the welder on. Sometimes your snap-on tools snap off and you weld them and then they snap again, so you weld them again. And then they crack all the way through, and so you weld them again. You're still alive! Well, all right. There's our new rocker in place. Had to get a little interesting there on the lap. Had to kind of bend it in and to get it to be in contact and kind of hold it right. I don't know if I'll go back in and replace that. It'd mean I'd have to replace this whole piece just for that bend to be bent a little bit earlier, or it'd end up being cut, a 90-degree piece put in, and a solid weld going all the way down it, which is, you know, a lot of work. But it really doesn't look bad. I don't think anybody would even notice. So, it might be alright. I don't know. Might be something that we come back around to. And, so yeah. Keep on rocking, rocker. As always, thank you all for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna